Welcome to our channel.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Let's go! May mga prices. Hi. Entrance. Hi! Papasok po tayo sa Angry Bird. Ewan ko. Angry Birds. And... Oh, take picture. This is... Oh, the wave is also... I'm just sitting on it. Ay, mo nung ginawa niya, no? Yeah, let's try it. Is it fun?
Scary.
A little bit, right? Yeah. Come on, go up there and swing. Congratulations, you did it! Who are your friends here? You did it, Ate. Is it so? Yeah. How did it? No, I told you. Right? Diba? Wow, ang galing mo. So fun daw. Hindi, babalik ko. Babalik ko. Dito ka na. Ang galing mo dun, ah. And then you said what? Go. So fun. High rate coast. Ito tayo sa photo booth. Ito ang photo booth. Yan siya. Mighty Eagle. So, may mga ganyan. Ayan. So, ang ganda nung ano, no? May puno na parang Christmas tree dito. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree. Diba? Masalita ka dito. Kasi dito tayo nakikita. Dito mayroon silang popcorn dyan. Bibili kayo.
Magkano yung hotdog? 19 reals. 15 reals.
450.
Yes. Ito naman yung... Uy, trampoline. Dito pala yung trampoline.
Trampoline universe.
Universe, yes. Okay. Ah! Sit. Say something. You're welcome.
No.
So where are you?
Yeah. I do Yeah.
Show it. How many tickets do you have?
4.
4.
Okay, go.
So let's go.
Kala ko din yan sa labas, pero
So ito vlog natin. Sir. So here. Here.
Ayun na, gusto niya dyan eh.
Maganda rin yun sa bag.
Nanay, did I got 2?
You need to check 35. 100 reals. Meron ganito. Ayun. Nasa guide pa po kayo ng 50?
45. Tama ba?
Redeem. Yes, 35, 35. Magkano ba? 49? Bakit ganun? Walang... Ito tingnan natin. Guys, hi!